good. So me and Mr. Barrow went outside yesterday, and it was kind of windy. So that's why I have a horrible percentage on my free throws. But we wanted to kind of show you, since basketball season is getting back into effect and we're huge Spurs fans, we kind of wanted to just play around and see if we could add some math to our social studies, Google Classroom. So we're going to, hypothetically, if I went to the free throw line and I shot 7 times, that's my total shots taken. Out of those 7 shots, if I make 3, that would be the number on top. You have the numerator and the denominator, right? So the shots made right here, shots taken right here. I want to know what was my percentage, right? Because my coach is going to ask me, well, do you know what your percentage was from the free throw line? Well, no, coach, I don't. Okay, well, get a piece of paper. Let's figure it out. That's how we're going to do it. So the first thing would be, obviously, you set your problem. You're going to have 3 divided by 7. And we have it color-coded by step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. Hopefully you see all the colors right here. So the first thing I would do is, okay, well, how many times does 7 go into 3? Well, it doesn't, right? So we have to add a 0 right here to make it come down. Put it right here. So 3 minus 0 would be 3. So now we know how many times does 7 go into 30? Well, 7 times 4 is 28. So 7 times 4 is 28. So now I'm going to subtract that and see what that remainder is. So now I have 2. The 7 going to 2, well, same thing again, it doesn't. So we have to come back over here, add another 0, and bring it all the way down right here. So now we have 20. 7 times 2 equals 14. Same process. 20 minus 14 equals 6. Can 7 go into 6? It can't. So same scenario. Come back over here, get the 0, bring it all the way down. Make sure you keep everything nice and straight. That way you can kind of do your math. Bring it all the way down to right here. So now I have a big number. I have 60. How many times does 7 go into 60? Well, 7 times 8 equals 56. So that's why you have a 56 right here. And then we do the math, and it's 4. At that point, we're going to pause. We know that we can do this all day long, and it's going to give us a huge number. But we just want to know a simple percentage in the hundreds, and then if we have to, we'll use the thousands. That way we can round up to figure our true percentage. Because in basketball, they don't say you shot 42.8345%, right? They just use, he shot 42.8%, or in this case, we're going to round up and say 43. So at this point, you know that the final number we have, and we're going to stop here, is 428. So we're going to round up and say it's 43%. So I have the decimal right here. I have 0.43 because we're rounding this up. So 8 would make this a 3. This would stay a 4 because we're not going to, put it to 50%. That wouldn't make sense. It's going to stay right here at 4. Point goes right here. 1, 2. So 43 hundredths goes this way. And at this point, now you have a true percentage of 43. So if I went to the basketball free throw line, right? If I went to the free throw line and I shot 7 times, right? Out of those 7 times, I made 3 shots. I would have not that great of a percentage. That's almost like Shaquille O'Neal, if I don't know who that is. Horrible free throw percentage. But those win, so don't forget. So this is a quick intro of what we're trying to accomplish with the virtual side. This is our first video. This is our first time doing math. So bear with us. We will get all the lingo correct. But we kind of want to see what we could do real quick in 30, 45 minutes of this spare time we have. We hope you enjoyed the video. If there's any questions, we will link Khan Academy videos and certain resources in the Google Classroom to help you with this. Thank you guys.